Hey guys, how to download and install Counter-Strike 2 on PC or laptop? Want to play Counter-Strike 2 but don't know the correct way to download it on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest method to download CS2 step by step, no errors, no confusion. Stay with me, and you'll be in the game in minutes. Now open web browser and search Steam. Link in description. After that, click the Steam website. Welcome to Steam. After that, Steam downloading is most important, and then click the Install Steam, and again click the Install Steam. In Steam downloading is started, please wait. In downloading is completed to click the Show folder, and this is Steam setup. To double click in the Steam is installed to your PC. My laptop is already installed. To your Steam is installed to create a Steam account, and open the Steam and search CSGO, and click the Counter-Strike 2, and scroll down you see the Add to Library, click on it. After that, click the top library, and this is Counter-Strike Gaming, click this, and click the install and your C disk to no space available to add disk. To click the settings bar, and click the C browser and down click the add drive, and click the add, and select to this drive to 55.5 gigabytes SOS available, and click the install. Your game is installation started, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded Counter-Strike 2 on your PC and you're ready to jump into the match. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy gaming guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.